Drones are an amazing invention of today's world. These drones are commonly used for spying and video recording. These drones with advanced technology are currently used to show different types of drone shows in the sky. In today's episode, we take a look at the top 15 drone shows in the world that wowed viewers. A drone show has been arranged in the Argyros Performing Arts Center in Ketchum, Idaho, USA. This drone show was a small-scale show with 200 drones performing. Here, drones are used to display maps, charts, and other images of the United States. Sky Elements Company has arranged a drone show in Texas City of USA. A total of 150 drones perform in this show. The show showcases various objects including love signs, butterflies, birds, bottles, clocks, and many others using drones. Sky Elements arranged a drone show in the 2021 Over-the-Top NYE celebration at Reunion Tower in downtown Dallas, Texas. By adding a drone light show to the New Year's Eve celebration, which included over 5,000 pyrotechnic devices on the tower itself, as well as the LED lights on the ball. The drones took flight after the fireworks ended. Sky Elements hosted a drone show on February 15, 2022. 125 drones are used in this show. The show displays images of various materials including flowers, love symbols, birds, etc. A drone show was organized in December 2022 ahead of the Christmas holiday. 200 devices are used in this drone show. The show showcases images of various materials including flowers, birds, and leaves. A drone show was organized on December 11, 2022, ahead of the Christmas holiday. 400 devices are used in this drone show. The show showcases images of a variety of materials including glasses, airplanes, and helmets. A large-scale drone show was held on December 22, 2022, in North Texas, USA. A total of 1,001 drones were used in this show. The show showcases images of various objects created with the help of drones. A drone show was organized by Intel on July 15, 2018. 1,500 devices are used in this show. Several objects, including a world map and the Intel logo, are displayed at the show using drones. Sky Elements drones made history in Santa Monica, California with the largest drone show ever performed in Los Angeles. 600 coordinated drones were used in this incredible event to celebrate the release of the new Super Mario Bros. Movie. Marvel Drone Show captivated the audience at the Pittsburgh Pirates game on May 19, 2023. This sensational 300 drone show showcased an extraordinary lineup of beloved Avengers, including Iron Man, Thor, Hulk, Captain Marvel, Ant-Man, and the Wasp. A drone show was held in Busan, South Korea with thousands of drones. In this show, many subjects, including people, are photographed beautifully with the help of drones. A drone show was held in Seoul, South Korea in 2023. In this show, images of various objects including butterflies, trees, leaves, and flowers are displayed in the sky with the help of drones. On July 4, 2023, a drone show with the help of 1,002 drones was entered into the Guinness Book of World Records in the United States. Bright LED lights took flight and dazzled the crowd, with the show paying tribute to the history of the United States. In 2023, a drone show was organized in Sydney, Australia. This show is watched by hundreds of people standing on both sides of the river. Various objects are modeled in this show with the help of drones. A drone show is held in China, where 1,500 drones are used to display animated images of dragons. About thousands of spectators enjoy this show.